Challah, Perek Gimel, Mishnah Hey. Nochri, or some have the Girsa Ovid Kechovim, Shenosan li Yisrael la'asos lo Isa. The Nochri, the non-Jew, gave to the Israel dough, so the Israel should knead that dough for him. Patura mina challah, it's exempt from challah. We've mentioned previously the pasuk ariso seichem, reshis ariso seichem. It must be your dough, yours, belonging to Israel, and not to a Nochri. As this dough does not belong to Israel, although the Israel is the person kneading that dough, it's patura min challah. Continues the Mishnah, Nesona lo b'matana, if this Nochri gave the dough as a gift to the Israel, ad shelo gilgel, before the kneading had taken place. And we explained that it's the kneading, when it's well kneaded, that there will be a chiyuv of challah. So if it was given as a gift, ad shelo gilgel, prior to that kneading having taken place, and only then the kneading takes place where it's in the rishus, or the ownership of the Israel, then chayav, then the dough would be chayav in challah. However, if it was given to the Israel from the Nochri, umishe gilgel, after it already had been kneaded, so at the stage of the gilgul, the kneading, it was owned by the Nochri, potter, it will be exempt, even though subsequently it's given over in ownership to the Israel. Ha'oyse isa im hanochri, someone who makes a dough, kneads the dough, im hanochri, together with a non-Jew. In other words, the ownership of the dough is with both the Yisrael and the Nochri. Im ein b'shel Yisrael k'shir challah, if the portion that's owned by the Yisrael is not the share of challah, which we've explained is 5/4 of a kav, or 5 lug. If the Yisrael does not own that amount of the dough, patura min challah, it will be exempt from the mitzvah of challah, even though the total amount may actually be the required share, but it's owned also by the Nochri. The Rambam writes, however, if the portion owned by the Yisrael was the required share of challah, the 5/4 of a kav, even though it's also owned by the non-Jew, harizu chayeves b'challah, it would be chayiv in challah. And the Radvaz is medayik. It says harizu chayeves b'challah. This dough would be chayiv in challah, not the Yisrael. The dough would be chayiv in challah. The Radvad learns the whole dough would be chayiv in challah, seeing as there was the required share of challah in the ownership of the Yisrael. That whole dough, including the portion owned by the Nochri, would be considered ariso seichem, and the whole dough would be chayiv in challah.